Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Zip to bank account. So let's get started. First, it's important to understand that Zip, previously known as QuadPay, is a buy now pay later service rather than a traditional banking app or digital wallet. Because of that, Zip does not support direct transfers to bank accounts or cash withdrawals. Instead, the platform is mainly designed for making purchases online or in physical stores, then paying for those purchases over time in installments. So currently, there's no official option for sending money from Zip to a bank account, withdrawing cash from your Zip balance, transferring funds directly to another wallet. What you can do, however, is use the Zip virtual card for purchases anywhere supported cards are accepted. To get started, open the Zip app on your phone and sign into your account. Make sure that the application is updated to the newest version so all the features work properly. Next, go to the virtual card or card section inside the app. There, you'll find your temporary or reusable virtual card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. When shopping online, select debit or credit card as the payment method and enter the virtual card details during checkout. For purchases in physical stores, you may also be able to connect the virtual card to services like Apple Pay, Google Wallet, or Samsung Wallet if your device supports them. Before confirming the transaction, review the total amount and billing information carefully. Once approved, Zip will process the payment and split the cost into installments based on your account settings. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.